Setting up your compound miter saw for square mitered cuts is fairly straightforward. It takes 1 minute. What I've done so far on this one is I put a piece of masking tape here for reference. This is where the saw blade is going to come down. I've taken out these fence extensions and I've loosened the mounting bolts. Come on, I'll show you where. The mounting bolts are there, two there, two on the other side, so that I can do this with the fence. I can shift it sideways a little bit. The manufacturer, I hope to God, made a correct and accurate casting on the base, because the rotating turntable has some positive stops. One for 0 degree, well, it's marked 0 degree there, it's 90 degrees to the direction of the fence, and this is why I'm set up on the handrail here, not because I inherently like unsafe, but I can show you this underside here. This is the base of the miter saw, and in it you see this recesses that are cast in it. I hope the manufacturer did a good job, so that this one at 0 degrees, this one is at 15 degrees, I hope this one is at 22.5, I hope this one here is at 31.5, sorry, 31.6, and I hope this one is at 45. So there's nothing you can do about this one, and this spring dog here engages as I rotate the turntable. You can see it. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Yep. It only really engages in these positions where it's cast into the base. So this is how the turntable and the base meet. So there's nothing you can do about this line. What you need to worry about is this line here that you have to square your saw blade to. I'm plugged in, and I'm gonna come down and make a straight line with the saw blade. Now, if your saw blade is not entirely plumb, don't worry about it. It's still gonna make one straight line. So the blades adjustment for miter and bevel, they are kind of interrelated, but for this setup it's still gonna make a straight line, and that's all I need for now. Cut slowly so you don't tear the paper, but you have a nice straight line without jagged edges. Okay. Alright, we'll work with that. What you need now is a square. I have made sure that this square is in fact square on the floor with a big sheet of paper, and all I'm doing now is put the square not to the blade, because you can bend the blade, but this straight line now that I've just cut into this masking tape is not going to go anywhere. So I'm just putting this one here and just aligning my fence to it like so. All I need to do is take my wrench and tighten the saw blade, tighten the fence in this position. After this, I'm going to verify my setup with a single cut.